Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to look at a client update for one of our clients that is currently enrolled in our print-on-demand accelerator. As you can see in front of you right here, we are currently looking at the sales dashboard inside of our print-on-demand accelerator for the store that we are going to feature in today's video. Now, the store that we are currently looking at here is an Etsy print-on-demand store. It is called Look at These Mugs, or Look at Those Mugs. And as you can see, this is the store. It sells mugs. The store is run by our client, Jamie. Jamie's based in Ireland, it says there. And you can see so far, they started with us in August. As you can see, August being the first month here. And he's basically made 37 sales so far with our accelerator. He's got 319 items listed. They're all mugs. He's got some really, really cool designs. All of this, as far as I'm aware, is generated with AI. So pretty much anyone could make this with the likes of Midjourney. You can create your mock-ups with services such as Placeit, which you can basically get free mock-ups for free. Just this, you can just type in mug mock-ups. Mug mock-ups. So this is we're not affiliated with these at all. They do offer a paid plan which gives you sort of more mock-ups, but they offer completely free versions of these mock-ups as well, and you can essentially just put your designs on these mugs and we supply those products for you. Now, for those of you who don't know what our print-on-demand accelerator is, I will leave a link in the description down below if you want to find out more information about that. But essentially, it is a print-on-demand accelerator where for your first £1,000 of sales, we supply all of your print-on-demand orders for free so that you don't have to worry about any product costs whatsoever. This allows you to enter the market as a mug seller or as a seller of wall prints. Those are the two products that we offer. You can do our accelerator with mugs or wall prints. It essentially allows you to have no product cost, so you can enter the market, you can sort of cut into the market, have really low prices because you can set your prices out wherever you want, because you've got essentially no costs for your first £1,000 in sales, unlike your competitors who are having to pay obviously product costs to their suppliers. With our print-on-demand accelerator, you just pay a one-off fee in the beginning for us to set up the accelerator for you. That fee is really low. It's only £395. That gets you into our accelerator. Once you're in, you then get £1,000 worth of sales on Etsy with your print-on-demand products, where we supply all the products for you completely for free, and you can set your prices at wherever you want. And this program guarantees to get your Etsy POD business off the ground and up and running. And as you can see, we've had Jamie in for the last 3 months, and this is his actual real sales dashboard as of today. You can see the total sales so far is Jamie is up to £537, so he's just over halfway into our accelerator. You can see in August he managed sales of £90 and 13 pence. Hopefully you can see that there's quite small. In September, those sales were then, this is these monthly recurring sales, sales were up to 158.18 in September, and in October so far you can see we are already up to £254, and in the last month, in the past month, the monthly recurring sales are currently up to £275 and 96 pence. And like I said, you can see the sales in the past week. And just to prove that these are actually real orders, you can see all of the Etsy order IDs here. These are Etsy order numbers. You can see all these orders are shipped. You can see the customer names. You can see where it's gone. And you can see that the unit cost, which is this column here, all of these orders are completely for free. So every single order has been supplied for Jamie for free. That is what our print-on-demand accelerator does. Now, essentially, if we look at Jamie's store, you can see Jamie has been sort of hard at work busy creating these designs and listing his mugs on Etsy. He doesn't sell any wall art. He just does mugs, which is fine. He's managed to accumulate 10 product reviews so far within the last 3 months, which is fantastic. As you can see, we've got some real images from customers here as well. Some customers have left some images. Where we go? There we go. For example, this is one of the mugs that we supplied and produced for Jamie. And these reviews are helping Jamie's store to essentially grow with our accelerator. But Jamie does not have to pay any product costs whatsoever until his store surpasses £1,000 in total sales. And once his store does surpass £1,000 in total sales, he will be given 2 options. The first option is to just move over to just a normal POD supplier relationship where Jamie can pay for his orders as he sells them. So that's just normal standard drop shipping. You know, you would do that with any POD supplier. Or the other option is he can actually choose to re-enroll in our POD accelerator. And what that will allow you to do is you can re-enroll for $395 once again. And what we will do is we will extend your participation in the print on demand accelerator for another £1,000 in sales. And this essentially gives you another £1,000 worth of product sold, so that you can actually continue growing your Etsy store with this fixed one-off cost. It is by far the cheapest, most effective way to grow your Etsy store, because you're just paying this one-off cost. You can then grow and scale your store. You can price your products at any price point that you want. You can continue to undercut the market. You will get sales. You will get fantastic feedback from your customers. And it is a surefire way to grow your Etsy store. So all the information about our print on demand accelerator, you can get access to everything on this page, which I'm showing here. This has all the information about the accelerator. You can find a link to this in the description down below. So if you're interested in launching a POD store on Etsy and you want us to be your supplier for either mugs or wall art, then do check out our print on demand accelerator. It is a surefire way, a guaranteed way to get your Etsy store up and running off the ground, and it is just one of the ways of how we support our resellers to start successful businesses on platforms such as eBay, Etsy, Amazon, and so forth. There you are, guys. Short and sweet. I'm going to leave this video wrapped up there. All the information is in the link down below, and you can go and check it out for yourself on the website. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back more than likely tomorrow with another video. Anyway, guys, enjoy the rest of the day, and I'll catch you in the next one.